everyone, I'm Natasha, and today we are making a DIY charcoal mask. So let's take a quick look at the ingredients. The ingredients are all listed down below as well. You will need apple cider vinegar. I already have 2 teaspoons of it here in this bowl. If you don't have apple cider vinegar, that's okay. You can use water. Of course, you will need activated charcoal. We are using 1 teaspoon. If you have the activated charcoal capsules, you can open one of those instead. We'll also be using clay. I am using Kaolin clay. It's very mild and perfect for people like me with sensitive skin. You can substitute other types of clay like bentonite clay, French green clay, Rhassoul clay. You can use any of those if you want to, if they work for you and if you have them on hand. Do check down below for more information on the clays. You will also need half a teaspoon of raw honey, a drop of essential oil if you want to add it. Make sure it's an essential oil that is good for your skin. I am using frankincense because I love frankincense. Lavender is another good choice. If you have oily acne-prone skin, then tea tree oil is a good choice. Geranium is great for your skin. Rose is great for your skin. So not all essential oils are good for this face mask. Some are too harsh. Some will make you very sensitive to sunlight. All the citrus oils and also bergamot would be a poor choice for this face mask if you plan to go outside anytime in the next couple of days. So make sure to look below for more information on essential oils. You'll also, of course, need clean hands, something to mix with. A spoon or a small silicone spatula is perfect. I got a couple of these super cheap and use them just for my DIY body products so they don't get contaminated with anything. I also recommend that you have a nitrile glove for applying the face mask. It helps protect your skin, your facial skin, so you don't get all these extra oils and bacterias on your skin from your hand. Okay, so to start with, we have our 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar or water in a bowl. To that, add 1 drop of essential oil if you're using it. Then we're going to add half a teaspoon of raw honey. If you don't have honey, just add a bit more liquid as needed. But honey is very beneficial and really part of why this face mask works so well. Next, add 1 teaspoon of clay, and we're going to sprinkle it over the top of this liquid mixture and let it sit there for a few seconds, about 8 to 10 seconds. Next, we're going to add the activated charcoal. It is a very fine, very messy powder that likes to go everywhere. So just be careful with it. Get nice and low down in the bowl before you turn out your spoon. And make sure to stir gently as you fold the charcoal into the liquid mixture here. All right, after everything is fully combined, you are ready to apply your face mask. So I highly recommend putting on that glove. It will also help keep your hand from staining. Now this face mask may stain, so don't leave it on more than 10 minutes. And you will need to wash your face gently afterwards. If you notice any staining on your face, then just use your favorite makeup remover or oil on a cloth to remove those bits of charcoal.